Namaste children, welcome to 8th standard mathematics class. In previous session we discussed about chapter 11 understanding quadrilaterals worksheet 3 and also we solved value based question. In today we are going to continue the same chapter. Under that we are going to solve brain teasers. First main, take the correct option. Under that A main, the number of diagonals a pentagon has is options given here 2, 4, 5, 3. Here you have to find a number of diagonals a pentagon has. While solving worksheet 1 already you know pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, all regular polygons already you studied in worksheet 1. Pentagon is a polygon having 5 sides, closed figure having 5 sides. This type of figure we call as pentagon. Here just I drawn pentagon. Regular pentagon means all sides and all angles are equal. Here he is asking to find how many diagonals are there in the pentagon. Diagonals nothing but the line joining the non-adjacent sides. Line joining the non-adjacent sides are called diagonals. Here you can draw 5 diagonals in a pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 diagonals you can draw in a pentagon. The correct option is 5. Third option is correct. Second question. A parallelogram having its adjacent sides equal is a what type of quadrilateral? Here a parallelogram having its adjacent sides equal. In a previous session we discussed a parallelogram having its adjacent sides equal. It is a rhombus. Rhombus is a parallelogram whose adjacent sides are equal. So the correct option is rhombus. C question. A 7-sided polygon is called a dash. 7-sided polygon. Here 5-sided polygon we call as pentagon. 6-sided polygon is called hexagon. 7-sided polygon we call as a heptagon. Hepta means 7. 7-sided polygon we call as a heptagon. 8-sided polygon we call as a octagon. Similarly 9-sided nonagon. 10-sided polygon we call as a decagon. D question. Regular polygons are always regular polygons having all sides equal and all angles equal. Here options given equiangular only. Equiangular nothing but angles are equal. Equilateral only. Sides are equal. Equiangular and equilaterals. Third option. Fourth option, none of the options. Here the correct option for the D question is equiangular and equilateral. Regular polygon always having equal angles and also equal sides. Last question from the brain teaser. First main, A main. Which of the given polygons have equal diagonals? Which of the given polygons have equal diagonals? Here options given square, rhombus, parallelogram, trapezium. In rhombus, parallelogram and trapezium, diagonals are not equal. Only in square, diagonals are equal and bisect each other at right angle. So the correct option is square. While solving worksheet 3, we discussed properties of square. Under that, we discussed square having equal diagonals. This completes brain teaser first A main questions. B main, answer the following questions. A question. Name 2 polygons whose diagonals bisect each other at right angles. You have to name 2 polygons whose diagonals bisect each other at right angles. only rhombus and squares. These two are the polygons. The diagonals bisect each other at right angles. Answer you have to write, in rhombus and squares, diagonals bisect each other at right angles. B question. In a parallelogram ABCD, if angle B is equals to 75 degree, find measure of angle C. Here parallelogram in a parallelogram ABCD, angle B given, angle B is 75 degree, you have to find measure of angle C. Draw a parallelogram, name it as ABCD, angle B given 75 degree, you have to find angle C. Here the given ABCD is a parallelogram. Already we know that opposite sides of a parallelogram always parallel to each other. AD is parallel to BC, AB is parallel to DC. Here you have to find angle C. To find angle C, I am going to consider AB and CD. These two lines are parallel to each other. When these two lines are parallel to each other, line segment BC act as a transversal. Then these two angles, angle B and angle C, these two angles act as a interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Always interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. The sum of these two angles equal to 180 degree. 180 minus 75 degree will give angle C. So here first in solution, let ABCD be a parallelogram. Given angle B is 75 degree. Angle B plus angle C. Angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. Reason you have to write, interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. Here these two are interior angles on the same side of this transversal. Transversal here it is BC. BC act as a transversal. Angle B 75 degree plus angle C we have to find is equals to 180 degree. Angle C equal to 180 minus 75 degree will give angle C value is 105. 180 minus 75, 105. Angle C value is 105. C question. What is the measure of each exterior angle of a regular octagon? You have to find the each exterior angle of a regular octagon. While solving worksheet 1, we studied that sum of measures of the exterior angles of any polygon irrespective of number of sides, always sum of measure is equal to 360 degree. That only we have to write here. We know that sum of the measures of the exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degree. Irrespective of number of sides, it may be a 5, 6, any irrespective of number of sides, always exterior angle measure sum is equal to 360 degree. Now we need only each angle of octagon. In octagon, how many number of sides are there? 8. 8 into each angle is equals to 360 degree. Here you have to write, let each angle of a regular octagon be x, because we have to find each angle that you consider as x. Therefore, measure of all the exterior angles of a regular octagon is equals to 360 degree. We know this rule. How many sides are there in octagon? 8. 8 into x will give the sum of exterior angles in a octagon. 8 into x, because 8 is the number of sides in a octagon. Each side we considered as x. 8 into x equal to 360 degree. X value you need, x equal to 360 divided by 8. X equal to 45. 8 ones are 8 fours are 8 fives are. X what we considered here? Each angle of a regular octagon. So how much we got? 45 degree. Here also they asked to find what is the measure of each exterior angle in a regular octagon. We got each exterior angle in a regular octagon is 45 degree. D question. Find the measure of x in the figure. In the figure you have to find the x value. they given remaining all the exterior angles. You have to find the exterior angle, that is angle x. Already we know the property of exterior angles. Sum of the angles, exterior angles, always equal to 360 degree. Here sum of the measures of exterior angles of a given quadrilateral is 360 degree. This we know. 110 degree plus 65 degree plus 80 degree plus x degree always equal to 360 degree. Here 110 plus 65 plus 80 is equal to 255 plus angle x, write as it is equals to 360 degree. X value you have to find. X equal to 360 minus 255. X value will get 105. X value, the exterior angle of this figure is equal to 105. Equation. Find each angle of a regular pentagon. Find each angle of a regular pentagon. Each angle nothing but you have to find the interior angle of a regular pentagon. Penta means a polygon having 5 sides. Here they given regular pentagon. So in solution first write down number of sides of a regular pentagon. N, that is n. N is equals to 5. N indicates number of sides of a regular pentagon, which is equal to 5. Already we know the formula. Each angle of a regular pentagon is equals to this formula for any regular polygons, children. N minus 2 into 180 divided by n. N indicates the number of sides in a polygon. Here n value is 5. Substitute in this formula. 5 minus 2 into 180 divided by 5 is equals to 5 minus 2, 3 into 180 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5 3s are 15, 5 6s are 30, 36 3s are 108. So here 108, what it indicates? Each angle of a regular pentagon. So therefore last you have to write each angle of a regular pentagon is 108. This completes brain teaser B main all 5 questions.